I've got an Antique Jones CS, which is for cylindrical shuttle. Sewing machine. Typically these were hand cranked. This one's been fitted with a motor. It hasn't altered the state of the body. Serial number is 29804, which states it's somewhere about 1895. The machine's been serviced and is in working order. All the electrical work has been checked out to make sure there's no hazards. Decals are pretty good. Middle one's worn. And it comes with the lid too. So basically I've got 4 layers of denim here. And just to show you that it stitches. The motor was rebuilt too, so it's got good speed control and everything. And it's actually a 1 amp motor, so it does get cranking pretty good, but I'm not going to run it that way. That's the age of the machine. There you can see there's no skipped stitches. It's a little hard to tell on the back. But if you look again on the front, no skipped stitches, no broken threads. There you have it.